Good morning. God damn, what is it? Like, quarter to five, 4:46. This is what I look like. Getting my Garfield coffee. What you're listening to is this band called Wormsblood. This is like from like about 10 years ago. This is a CD, some collection of demos. Mastery of creation demos. Yeah, that dog barking is on the CD, not outside. On Barbarian Records, Gilman Street, in Madison, Wisconsin. I think I found it for like $5 or less or something on Discogs. Sounds about right. All right, that's all.